Tubig! Anak! No.
Are you excited?
A little.
I'm excited.
No.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I have
D?
no idea.
Hey guys, it's me, Dorong Dave.
And it's me, David Wild, and this
this
is
Dare David! Each week we give each other dares. So for this week, ako ang magbuot sa dare.
Because last week, I made people throw snowballs at David's Snow World.
So for this week's dare, ang dare ni Modi kay mamaligya kag tubig dira sa highway.
You mean?
Yeah.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, like you have
Are
to
you
offer.
serious?
You have to hard sell water, D.
Do I have a quota?
Yes, you have to sell at least 20 bottles.
20 bottles.
So as usual, D, you have to look the part. Nag-andam ko o wardrobe for you. Actually, Sarah nag-andam. Gonna go to the car kaya para ato ka mag-ilis.
Why this hat?
Ate Rowena, tudluin siya kung unsay mga prinsipyo sa pagbaligyag tubig diri.
Kung maninda ka ni kag tubig, maghawat ka og stop signal. Next stop, manori ka di sa tunga. Yung mga jeep, imong kanan og tubig, mga pasahero, tag 15 ang isa.
Okay. Sige.
Tuwag sa kapoy diri sa lugar kas stop, manghagad ka na mga mangagi. Tagaan ta ka pa no kini.
Pila ni?
50.
50. Paanak ko, dayon, mugunit ko diri.
Di, what I want you to do is, di ko ganang nga mo limit ka sa imong sa food jeepneys. You can sell to taxis, private cars, grabs, everything.
Okay.
As long as you finish all the bottles.
All 20 bottles?
Yes.
Okay. Tubig! Ay! Tubig! 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 No one's buying. Oh, I feel kind of bad. Oh, dali na siya mahalin. Hello? Hello? Opo ko'y halin.
Di, how do you feel nga? Wala dyo kay halin.
Bad? I didn't think it would be this difficult.
Tanaw ni mo sa tora sa mahuman.
6? Ay, ganano mo palit ang tubig? Kwarta. Okay, kwarta. Nakay kwarta? Wala ka. Wala. Saan? Luway ko din yun. Ha? Ayaw, okay, ginan siya.
Init na kayo. Ako na lang palit ang tubig ni Modi.
Thank you. Yay! My first sale.
Di mo ni bugnaw!
I think there's too much competition around, so we're gonna have to change strategy. Okay. Dish it up or survivor. Yay! 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 I made a real sale! Where's the accent come from? International school. Thank you! Salamat!
Did you figure out a strategy?
Yes.
How?
Private cars find me cute. I'm gonna sell to them. Yay! Thank you. Salamat! Salamat! Paalang iwag.
Good strategy. What? No, good strategy. So like you have to tell the people nga marag, kung inom ka ni, magwapo ka.
Okay,
Kung inom ka ni, kay kanang, munindot imutingog.
Okay.
Stuff like that.
If you buy my water, I'll put you on my show. Palit kang tubig, ate. Kung mapalit ka sa tubig na ko, mas magwapa pa dun ka. Kaya gwapa naman kay kadaan. Sige na, taging zero siya. Ito lang, taging zero siya. Kaya nga. Kung mapalit ka sa tubig na ko, mas magwapa pa dun ka. Gwapa nung, laki na? Like 10? Sige, parinig mo kay gwapa man kay kate. Sige.
Kailan nakabotelya mo na halin?
I don't know. Oh! 9!
Sige. Mag-Starbucks kami ah.
Nakay mas gamay? Thank you. Thank you. Salamat! Salamat! Yay! Kimchi! Salamat! Ay, pwede pa-ilis ako nga mas lugnaw. 7 na lang. Yay! Spicy. Oh, hell no. Tag-kimchi siya. Tag-kimchi lang. Yay! It's my last one! Yay!
How do you feel nga natiwas na mo yung 20 kabok bottles?
I feel fulfilled because this job is not easy at all. Hi,
Okay,
Kuya.
so-
Nalin, yes! Yes!
So here's so here's the surprise.
Why does that keep happening? you.
Unsa man imong na-learn na ning experience?
Nga dili lalim inyong trabaho jud te. Listen jud siya. So, dako kay kog respeto para ninyo. Oh, hi. Asa man mo ganina? Wa mo ni palit tubig na ko. Thank you. Salamat
Thank you, ate. Thank you, ate. So that's it for this episode. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Dave Crente, and follow my Facebook page, Dodong Dave, and my YouTube channel, Dodong Dave.
Don't forget to follow me at David Wild X on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all the social media platforms. We did a good job today.
David sold 20 bottles of water.
Thank you. Salamat. Bye guys.
Hey guys, so for this week's shoutout is to John Olim. Happy birthday again. I hope you had a good one today. So if ganaan mo ma-feature sa next week's shoutout, share this video and hashtag David Tubigun para ma-feature ka next week. Thank you.